Hi everybody, welcome to Teresa's World. This is just really an update to tell you what's going on. Yeah, everything's kind of like stopped for the moment with regard to the camper. So all the fridge is pulled out here and there was a burner issue. That's kind of work that's in progress. Also, I had a leak on one of my water tanks, or the main water tanks. So I'm going to thank Simon, the caravan doctor, who is dealing with these issues at the moment. He's taken the tank off the camper and he's going to fit a new tap on there. But also, which I'm really excited about, he said he may be able to sort out the gauge which is in that tank, which tells me how much water I've got in there. Up on there, there's monitor thing, and I can push a button and it should tell me whether I'm low on water, but that has never worked since I've had this van. But now he's got the water tank out, he can look at all that and the wiring involved and try and resolve that for me. So I'm really pleased. Yeah, I'm still to go to Salisbury Hill because I went to Silbury Hill and I always thought the song Peter Gabriel sang was about Silbury Hill, but it wasn't, it was about Salisbury Hill. So that was one of my next visits I was planning to do, but that hasn't happened yet. We went on lockdown, so that was it really. I will try and upload a video every couple of weeks, but it is difficult for me during the winter months when days are shorter, it gets darker, weather's bad. The wind, can't do a video when it's windy because of wind noise. Oh, various issues. But I hope you stick with me and still follow Teresa's World. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye bye, Teresa's World.